Hey guys, welcome back. This is Travis at Arcan Trailer and Car Trailers, Alberta. Today we're going to take a peek into the 2019 Montana 3560 RL. This is a 20th anniversary edition Montana, and it happens to be our last remaining 2019. With that, some exciting stuff is we've got this coach on a blowout sale price of $84,999 plus tax right now. So let's check this thing out. Of course, some of the standard options we're going to find on a Montana are 6-point hydraulic auto level on the RV. Keeps you nice and balanced, leveled out inside. We're also going to have the great size drop frame pass-through storage. We've got the nice motion sensor light in there as well. And on the far side of that, we've got that hookup center with all our connections in one convenient spot. Of course, we've also got a nice size power awning with the bright LED strip illuminating the campsite out front and the beautiful frameless dual pane windows. Now I want to invite you guys inside and we'll take a look into the living space of this beautiful Montana. So coming into the living space, we're going to find our center kitchen, galley area. Right as we come in, we've got our coffee bar right up front with our control panel and some great storage here. And of course our large pantry just to the left of that. Again, another area where we're going to have a motion sensor light in there, so you don't have to worry about hunting for a switch while you got full arms while you're loading up the coach. Just behind me is our 18 cubic foot gas electric refrigerator. We do order that in with the propane option. Gives you that backup just in case the power goes out, even if you are in the big parks. Now behind me in the kitchen area, of course, 30-inch over-the-range convection microwave and the beautiful Furrion Chef Collection appliances with the large oven as well. So it gives you a little bit of extra space. You could do a bird, maybe a small roast, anything along those lines. Of course, with the center kitchen, we've got our nice solid surface sink covers. Montana's also gone a step further and engineered a spot to safely stow those just below the sinks. Just give you that added peace of mind going down the road. Making our way back into the rear living on the coach, of course we have our comfortable Thomas Paine powered massaging heated recliners here. They've got the nice bright LED strip below as well. Very comfortable seating area that is adjacent to your entertainment. Just behind me, our hide-to-bed sofa or tri-fold sofa. It's just shy of a king-size sofa. It measures out to about 70 by 76. So it's a very comfortable sleeping area for any guests that you might have coming along with you. Now just over my right shoulder, of course, our entertainment center here where we've got the big screen high-definition TV. But the nice thing with this plan is it gives you a kind of home office or desk space here where you can pull out the laptop, get some work done while you're out spending some time in the RV. Now, making our way up front, a nice point I like to touch on is this beautiful centerpiece, kind of dividing your living space from the kitchen area. Gives it a very nice homey feeling or aesthetic to the coach. Now, lastly in the living space is our dinette table. This is a dual extension dinette. We'll have the handle on the left side to release, as well as the additional leaf that pulls out. Now, as I move those plates, we do also get some additional storage below that tabletop. So very functional and spacious dinette here. Quickly slides away. Now we'll make our way up front, and as we come upstairs here, one thing I like to mention is the central vacuum and electric dustpan in the stair area there as we're coming up, and then our coat closet and keyring area here as well. So we've got a little bit of a corkboard spot, set the grocery list, the keys, hang up the coats, all that good stuff right as you're coming in the door. Our bathroom is just over my right shoulder here. Montana has our pivot hinge door, which is a phenomenal feature. Prevents you from having to do that dance with the door coming from the bedroom into the living space. The bathroom, we have our 4-foot by 2.5-foot fiberglass shower, nice size vanity medicine cabinet, and a nice porcelain toilet as well. Up in the master bedroom, of course, we have our king bed slide out here with some great storage below that. Great for extra blankets, linens, things you want to keep clean while you're going out. At the foot of the bed, we have our 6-drawer dresser, entertainment center as well. And then we have our washer dryer prep closet up front and the hanging closet just behind me as well with the mirrored wardrobe doors. So this has been our 2019 Montana 3560 RL. Thank you guys for stopping by, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.